I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with water. I wash my face with water. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I make coffee in the kitchen. I make coffee in the kitchen. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I wash the dishes after breakfast. I wash the dishes after breakfast. I clean the kitchen table. I clean the kitchen table. I read the news on my phone. I read the news on my phone. I watch TV in the living room. I watch TV in the living room. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I take my bag and keys. I take my bag and keys. I walk down the hallway. I walk down the hallway. I close the front door. I close the front door. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I buy a coffee at the cafe. I buy a coffee at the cafe. I say good morning to my friend. I say good morning to my friend. I go to the office. I go to the office. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I check my emails. I check my emails. I talk to my coworker. I talk to my coworker. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. I buy some fruit and vegetables. I buy some fruit and vegetables. I go to the gym after work. I go to the gym after work. I walk home in the evening. I walk home in the evening. I go to bed at night. I go to bed at night.